In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open FTMO account. If you're new to the process, FTMO is a proprietary trading firm that allows you to trade their capital after passing an evaluation. We'll move from your first sign-up all the way to placing trades in the challenge, with practical tips to make each stage clear and stress-free. First, start on the official FTMO website. Click Sign Up or Register. Create your login details and complete the verification message to activate your access. Once confirmed, you'll land in the FTMO client area, often called the dashboard. This is your control center for managing trials, challenges, and account settings. Use secure, unique credentials and store them safely. Treating this access like a financial app helps protect your account long-term. Inside your dashboard, you'll see the option to start a free trial. This is optional, but highly recommended. Choose your preferred trading platform, MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, and begin practicing. The trial is the safest way to learn FTMO's environment and rules without paying a fee. Use it to get comfortable with the evaluation guidelines, like maximum daily loss, overall loss limits, profit targets, trading period, and any restrictions around news or holding over the weekend. Check spreads, available symbols, and time zones, and refine your lot sizing so you know exactly how your risk translates in live conditions. When you're ready, head to Start Challenge. Choose either the one-step or two-step evaluation, depending on how many phases you prefer before a funded account. One-step is faster, while two-step typically has different targets and structure. Select your account size, 10K, 50K, 100K, or another option, and set your parameters, such as risk type and platform. Review your choices carefully, then proceed to payment to activate your challenge. Costs scale with account size, so pick what aligns with your experience and comfort level. After payment, your trading account details will appear in your dashboard and arrive via a secure message. You'll see everything you need to connect, including your trading login and the correct server. Keep these credentials private. FTMO usually includes clear setup notes, so skim them to avoid connection or platform issues. Now you can start trading. Download and install MT4, MT5, or C-Trader, then log in using the credentials assigned to your challenge account. Confirm you're on the right server, and that quotes are updating in real time. Before placing any significant trades, double-check position sizing, leverage, and time zone settings so your risk stays within the evaluation rules. From here, trade your plan consistently, respect the loss limits, and track your progress inside the client area. That's it. You've opened your FTMO account and you're ready to begin the challenge.